Hi guys, I'm Rosa. Welcome to my channel. This video is another collaboration with YesStyle.com. YesStyle is an online shop based in Hong Kong who offers makeup, skincare products, clothes, and accessories from Korea, Japan, Taiwan, and China. Today I'm gonna show you how I made my Sunkissed makeup look using the products that YesStyle sent me from Japan. And if you like these products, just click on the links below and don't forget to use my discount code ROSAALLDAY upon checkout. Okay, so let's begin. This is me without any makeup on. I just finished washing my face. I already put on eye cream, moisturizer, and the final step for my skincare routine is sunscreen. I'm going to use the clear Canmake Mermaid Skin Gel UV with SPF 50+, PA+++++. Ang dami namang plus! Basically, SPF means sun protection factor. The number beside it indicates how well the sunscreen protects your skin against sunburn. 50+ blocks 98% of the sun's burn-causing UVB rays. Now, the sun's UVA rays does not cause sunburn, rather they make the skin turn brown. This is where the PA+ comes into play. PA++++ rating means it has extremely high UVA protection. Now, I'm going to use a foundation which is a bit darker than my natural skin tone. This is to achieve a fake tan for my sun-kissed makeup look. And then, I'm gonna apply some concealer. And then, I'm gonna use this ISEHAN Kiss Me Heavy Rotation Coloring Eyebrow. This is in the shade of Ash Gray. So, tingnan natin kung kailangan ko pa mag-drawing ng kilay ko or enough na to. Mukhang ayos to ah. Wow! Ayos nga! Di na kailangan mag-drawing ng kilay. I like this! O, diba? Mukhang natural. And then, we're gonna use the Canmake Perfect Stylist eyeshadow in the shade of Double Sunshine. It has a tiny mirror and a small brush. This palette has 5 different shades that you can mix and match, and you can also use as a highlighter. Got this set of 12 makeup brushes for free using my commission as a YesStyle influencer. Now, I'm using the yellow gold shade for my eyelids. Now, I'm using the brownish gold shade for the outer corner of my eyelids. Blend, 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 and then in the lower corner of my eye. Then using the brush that came with the palette, I'm going to put the dark brown shade at the lower and upper corner of my lash line. Then, I'll just do the same thing on my other eye. And then, I'm going to use the ISEHAN Kiss Me Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara Super Waterproof. And then, I'm gonna use the DHC Lip Cream, which is rich in vitamin E. Next, I'm gonna use the Canmake Lip and Cheek Gel with SPF 24 PA+. This is in the shade of Apple Mango Parfait. Apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks to make it look like a fake sunburn. Blend it where the sun would naturally hit your face, like on the top of your nose. Now, I'm putting some on my lips. Then, I'm going to use the Canmake palette again for my highlights. I'll apply here in the corner of my eyes. And then above my cheekbone. Then under my eyebrows. Above my lips. At the tip of my nose. And on my chin. Now, here's our final look. Now, one thing that I like about this Canmake Sunscreen is you can reapply it without ruining your makeup. So, all you have to do is just put a little on your fingers like that. Rub it and just pat it. Ta-da! And you're protected again from the sun. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye!